So we can create a simple link over animations in this with the help of HTML and CSS. So let's say we'll define the set of links. So I have created an order list with the class name is menu. Then we have added some couple of links. There is a list item. Inside that there is anchor tag. And then there is a href and the link. So there are a couple of items. Start defining the styles. Step 1, always reset the margin padding page. So we'll define the class name. We can use display flex to keep the items in the row. So text line will keep it as enter. If I'm not specifying list style, it will come the default unorderless property, that is bullet point. So we do not want that in our case. So we'll just remove that, and then we can keep the background as black. That is #000. So this is simple format. After that, what we are gonna do with the help of descendant child selector by giving space menu list item and anchor tag. So we'll just try to keep the block as inline block so that it will come, each block will be a standalone. Then we'll also introduce text decoration is none. So the similar to what you have done for list style, we'll just keep it as none so that the underline will not come. So we'll give the color, and then we can give the transformations and then give padding. But if you notice here, we are not giving the padding for list item. We are giving the padding for anchor tag so that it will occupy the whole space. Okay, so we can also use a colon pseudo class. So we must have to define the content property, and then we'll keep it as empty for now. We do not want anything right now. And then we'll keep the width as 100% so that it will occupy this particular line from here to here. And then we'll also specify the height 3. So you can adjust the line height based on your need. We'll show it now. After that, we'll give some other limited property. Important properties here, absolute position, we want to keep it as absolute so that it will align bottom and then left. Then we'll also by default we'll keep the transition scale as 0. So whenever we hover, then the scale x will change into 100. From 0 to 1. So from starting 0 to 1. Okay, so that is what we are gonna do. So let's say we'll just run it. Then if you notice here, nice, it's coming. Let's say if you wanted to keep this line in the top, so we can easily adjust this with, instead of bottom, we can just put top, and then we can just go here and then done. So we can adjust as needed according to our requirement. Thank you.